Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best pool filter brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is INTEX 28633EG Krystal Clear Cartridge Filter Pump. For those looking for a bargain without having to compromise quality, look no further than our best value choice, this model filter pump. This model is made especially for above-ground pools and is a cartridge type of filter. This filter also comes with an automatic timer with different options for 2 to 12-hour cycles. What's great about this pool filter is that it's incredibly easy to install, especially if you're new to the pool filter game. This one is good to get started with. It has a very solid 2,500 GPH pump flow rate, and this filter is particularly made for pools with a size of anywhere between 4,000 and 15,000 gallons. It could work for bigger pools too, but it wouldn't be as optimal as for this range. Another benefit of the cartridge filter is that it's probably one of the easiest to clean. You simply take your hose and wash it down. However, it is recommended to change the filter once every 3 to 4 weeks. The majority of owners of this filter were very happy with its performance, given its low price tag. Nevertheless, a few owners commented that the advertised flow rate of 2,500 is not near what they received, with some people commenting that it only went as high as 1,900 for their pool. Number 2. Our second best pick is INTEX Krystal Clear Sand Filter. One of the overall best pool filters is our editor's choice, this filter pump for above-ground pools. This sand filter brings tremendous versatility and fantastic value, as evidenced by its great affordability. Whether you have a small pool, 5,000 gallons, or a medium-sized one, 13,000 gallons, this sand filter pump can handle the capacity. For those with bigger pools, you'll also be happy to know that this sand filter comes in larger sizes as well. As the name suggests, this sand filter is made specifically for above-ground pool systems and fits pools with a diameter of roughly 15 feet or larger to be able to effectively filter out contaminants. It has a flow rate of about 1,600 GPH or approximately 27 gallons per minute, GPM. It has a 12-inch tank, and in terms of its dimensions, it measures out to 15 inches wide and 23 inches tall, not taking up too much of your space outside of the pool. This sand filter comes with a strainer basket that helps to keep the sand fresher and clean so that it will last you much longer. If you want to keep it running for extended periods, it has a nifty 24-hour timer that helps to clean the pool automatically. The overwhelming majority of owners were happy with this sand filter, but a few did mention that there is no memory on the pool pump timer. Therefore, in case of a power outage, you will need to restore those settings manually. Number 3. Our third best pick is Hayward W3S220T ProSeries Sand Filter. The next sand pool filter on our list is this model filter, which is one of the most recognizable models because of its great versatility and brand reputation. Pool owners love it because it comes in different sizes, including the 22, 24, and 27-inch models. This sand filter is perfect because of its very sturdy design complemented by its corrosion-resistant housing and parts. It's a top-mount model and is created specifically for in-ground pools. It has a very good flow rate of 3,120 GPH and can be a great choice for pool sizes of up to 35,000 gallons. This model has a 22-inch tank that also features a 6-position control valve that is easily controllable using the lever action handle that allows you to choose any one of the 6 positions. Since it is a sand filter, it can hold up to a solid 250 pounds of material that will last you a very good 5 years before you need to change it. As great as this product is, a few people did make note that they received a product with a cracked bottom stand. Fortunately, thanks to the great customer support, these people could get a replacement. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is RX Clear Radiant 24-inch Sand Filter. If you're new to pool filters and want something that is not so intimidating to use, take a look at this sand filter system. This sand filter model is known for its simple setup that takes you about 30 minutes to get up and running. It's also great because you don't have to worry about the type of pool you have either, since it works with both above ground and in-ground types. It can also fit any shaped pool from round to oval and rectangular ones too. This model comes in a few different sizes, with the 24-inch model that we're showing you here as the biggest one. For the 24-inch, it has a very good flow rate of close to 3,000 GPH and is designed for pools of up to 33,000 gallons of water. It has a 6-way valve that clearly shows you the pump and return settings, which is great to have if you've never used such a thing. And in case something does go wrong, the manufacturer offers a very flexible 3-year warranty, which you'll want to check to find out exactly what it covers. Although the majority of people love this easy-to-use sand filter, a few new owners were not satisfied because this filter came without its own hose, so you'll have to buy that separately as well as filter media. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Pentair 180009FNS Plus DE Pool Filter. If you're looking for a pool filter that has the highest flow rate among the products from our list, check out this pool filter. This DE filter has a flow rate of a whopping 7,200 GPH or 120 GPM. In 10 hours, it can pump 72,000 gallons of water. This will help to maintain the cleanliness and freshness of your water constantly, and it is great to have if you have pool parties and need to maintain water freshness throughout the day. It's specifically designed for in-ground pools only, and the recommended pool size for this filter is one that has 35,000 gallons of water. This filter has tall housing and measures out to roughly 50 inches in height. It's also made with durability in mind, as it boasts a chemical-resistant and fiberglass reinforced polypropylene tank with curved vertical grids. The filter itself has a very conveniently located 1.5-inch drain for an easy way to clean it. The high-quality filter also ensures optimal performance, backwashing efficiency, saving you precious water, and much longer times in between cleanings. One of the benefits of this product is that it comes ready to use. However, this has led a few owners to have some issues because they did not inspect to see if everything was installed correctly inside, so they had some troubles when they started the pump. Thus, it's important to inspect it before you use this filter. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.